Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to permanently delete your Patreon account. Whether you are a creator or a patron, this process ensures your data is completely removed from the platform. Before initiating the deletion process, it's crucial to cancel all active memberships to avoid any unwanted charges during the deletion period. First, open your Patreon application. Now tap on the profile icon, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on Settings. Now scroll down until you see the button of Delete Account and tap on it. So here you will be navigated to Patreon's Privacy Center. So scroll down and select the option to erase your data from our systems. A confirmation window will appear. Review the information carefully, then click Confirm to submit your deletion request. Once submitted, the deletion process can take up to 30 days to complete. During this period, you will receive follow-up emails regarding the status of your request. You have 14 days to cancel the deletion if you change your mind. Simply follow the instructions provided in the emails. If you encounter any issues or need assistance, you can reach out to Patreon support team at privacy@patreon.com. And yes, that's it. You have successfully initiated the deletion of your Patreon account. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.